Typical bushing replacement procedures will now be demonstrated. Prior to installing a new bushing, the mounting area should be thoroughly cleaned and deburred if necessary. A suitably sized dolly is selected, one that will maintain solid contact against the bushing wall. You will also require a hammer. Carefully start the bushing squarely into its housing with a few taps of the hammer against the dolly. Ensure that any oil holes in the bushing are aligned with oil holes in the housing. Set up the forcing screw and nuts as in the removal procedure. Tighten up on the forcing nut and observe the movement of the bushing into its housing. Continue tightening until the bushing has been pulled into its final position. Note whether any oil holes are aligned. Remove the puller once the bushing has been fully installed. The procedure for pressing is just as easy. Simply press the bushing into its housing using a suitably sized dolly. Ensure that the work is square and centrally placed beneath the press ram. Practice the installing procedure demonstrated, after which you will learn about the replacement of split-type shell bearings.